Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I was lucky enough to be sent a Your Creative Studio subscription box to show you, and I will link the website down below. You can do monthly subscription, you can do individual boxes, there's also individual products, rubber stamps, washi tape, stickers, that kind of thing for journaling and paper crafting. So this is the December box, which from what I gather, it has been replaced by a past February box due to delivery issues. So I've only opened the box. I have not taken a peek inside, and I didn't watch any of the unboxing videos that are out there because I wanted to be surprised. So here it is. Okay. And what I'll do is, not on this video, but this week, in the next few days, and I'll link all the videos to each other, I'm going to do a couple of projects, a couple of junk journal projects using what's in here. So, oh, it looks like probably a butterfly theme. Let me just make sure it's close enough. Okay. So, cling stamp, which I did go on the website and I saw that there were, oh, so pretty, so many rubber stamps. They're beautiful, such detail. So we have that. And then, what is this? Oh, stickers, I think, or something like that. Oh, look at this. Make sure I'm close enough for you. Oh, beautiful. And I think, are they stickers? I'm not sure if there's... Yes, I think they are stickers. So pretty. And vintage labels. A little bit of ASMR too with the crinkles. Oh, triangle ones. These are also peel and stick labels. And oh, a sticky note, like a Post-it. So pretty. And then I guess a bookmark, maybe? Yeah, it must be a bookmark. My heart flutters with love. Oh, like a little journaling bookmark with a pocket. Pretty. And then, oh, these are translucent stickers. Oh, these are beautiful. Let's see. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh, I don't think they're stickers. I was wrong about that. Gosh, these are just beautiful. So those, there's so many of them. And it's like a little, oh, papers, okay. Oh, I love these. Yep, very cool, like scientific, academic. Very cool. And then another cling stamp. So yes, I'm going to have fun doing a few projects using this stuff this week. Oh, a little bitty one. So cute. And look at this. I mean, I don't even know if you can see how much is in here. This box is amazing. And just in time, I'm longing for spring here in Massachusetts. It is, we just had snow again yesterday. Not a lot, but it's frozen, so everything, it's so cold. These are, whoops, like a cardstock, almost a little thicker than a cardstock. Thinner than chipboard, thicker than a cardstock. So pretty, and there's multiples of each one. Oh my gosh, there's so many cool things you can make with these for your journals. Nice label ones. Okay, there's still more. But wait, there's more. So these look like stamps, postage stamps style. And again, there's just so many in each packet. And then these, I think these are peel and stick. I think they are. Dragonflies, which oh, look at this one. Oh, these are gorgeous. So pretty. Fairy. Oh, another little fairy. Oh, these are just so nice. It was beautiful. And God, there's still more. Oh, sticker sheet. So pretty. I have a couple more things. Okay, let me get this out of the way. This looks like some sort of handmade paper. Let's see. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the leaf. Oh, these are nice. So there's a few sheets of those. So pretty. Okay, and last but not least, oh, more papers. Again, I mean, so many. So these are multiples of different designs as well. Guys, you really do get a lot in this. So if you're unfamiliar, definitely check out the website. So that is it. I cannot wait to make some stuff with these. And I will, as I mentioned, link everything down below. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.